Hello there, welcome to my new video. While adding a CNAME record for your subdomain through the cPanel, you might have received the DNS zone file is invalid error. One of the causes for this error is that subdomain you are trying to add might be in existence already. Let me show you an easy solution for that. Make sure to take a backup before proceeding. Go to subdomains in your cPanel. Find that subdomain and click on remove. Click on delete subdomain to confirm it. Now go back to Zone Editor and try adding the CNAME record again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.